This elevator opens up right to the front desk, so we're gonna start here. This is the elevator at the Sleep Inn, Tampa North, off Fletcher Avenue in Tampa, Florida. Go 4. So we got an O Series 1. Here we are at 4. So here's, it's dark so you can't really see out, but there's the parking lot. Anyway, let's go down. There's your hotel corridor. So because, as I mentioned, this elevator opens up right to the front desk, we're only gonna go to 2. There's your certificate. There's your 988 compliant phone. And there are your fixtures. 2,500 pound capacity. It says it's going up. So let's go with 4. Here's your cab view. I'm pretty sure someone called it down, so we are gonna get off here and pause. Alright, we're gonna go down to 2 one more time. This way we can check out intermediate call station, since I forgot to check it out the first time we went down to 2. Here we are at 2. So this is like right above the lobby. There's your intermediate call station. Nothing too unusual. And we're gonna end it down at 1. And that'll be it.